how to change lock screen on the iPhone running iOS 26. So first, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, press on the side button to lock the screen. Now tap on the screen to activate the lock screen, and then touch and hold. Make sure you verify with your Face ID. Then from here, in Collections, you can swipe across to select a different wallpaper or lock screen collections or a wallpaper set. You can also tap on the Add button if you cannot find a suitable one that you like. So tapping on the Add button will allow you to add in a new wallpaper set. So from here, you can select one from Feature section, or you can swipe down and select from other different categories. You got iOS, which are the default. We got Collections here. Swiping across will allow you to select more styles. You can choose a plain color wallpaper, or we can go up here and select one from astronomy and weather, or you can go up here and select a different set at the top. Okay, so if we go down and select this one right here. Okay, so we go down and select this one right here. And then at the top here, you can choose date. You can select a different widget. At the moment, it is set to calendar for date. You can choose to display something else. For the clock here, you can customize it by selecting different font, different width of the font. You can choose different color. So you can tap on the color selector or color picker and select your favorite color. So tap on that. You can use the slider, spectrum, or grid. So you can select a color from the grid. And then close that. And here we can choose glass style or solid style. And down here, a widget panel. So you can select a different widget. So we will move some widgets and you can add in other widgets. With this set right here, we cannot move the widget. Some collection will allow you to move the widget up or down. With this particular style, you cannot move the widget. Down here, you can tap on the shortcut to change the shortcut. So at the moment, it has a torch. We can replace it with a different one. We can choose to open the camera over here. Over here, we can select to have it to open up a calculator instead. Okay, and then we can swipe across and select a different style. We've got Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and so on. Okay, so tap on Add button to save the changes. In here, you can set it as wallpaper pair, or just for or you can customize the home screen. Okay, so now that it has been set, so make sure you select that. Tap on it to select, and here is the lock screen. And if we go to the home screen, this is the wallpaper on the home screen. So this is kind of a dynamic wallpaper. You can see it makes some changes. And here, if you want to make changes to your lock screen wallpaper, simply touch and hold, and then tap on Customize. And from here, we can customize it to make changes to something else. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Here we can go back to this wallpaper set, and here if you customize, you can see have different options, and the widget down here you can move it up or down. You can also set appearance to light or dark. We can also choose depth effect on or off. So that's depth effect on. You can see the clock is now sitting behind that round circle, and then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.